Hello everyone, welcome to this tranquil space. I'm forest bathing and earthing today, walking barefoot in the grass, soaking up the earth's energy. Today I wanted to explore the connection between calming nature walks, grounding ourselves on the earth, and how they harmonise with helping ourselves embrace the beauty of ageing. Look at this beautiful day. So what is forest bathing? Well, it's a Japanese practice called Shinrin Yoku, which involves spending time in nature to benefit your physical and mental health. And it turns out forest bathing can actually help you feel younger. Oh, we all want a bit of that, don't we? Let's put some shoes back on.